In the ongoing quest for natural remedies to combat cancer, certain fruits have emerged as powerful allies in the fight against this devastating disease. Their ability to starve cancer cells and promote healing is backed by substantial scientific evidence. Here, we explore the top 5 fruits that have shown promising anti-cancer properties. 1. Blueberries. Nature's antioxidant powerhouse. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that give them their vibrant color. These compounds have been shown to inhibit the growth of various cancer cells by neutralizing free radicals that can damage cellular DNA. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that blueberry extract induced apoptosis in breast cancer cells, effectively starving them of the resources needed to proliferate. 2. Pomegranates. A prostate cancer fighter. Pomegranates contain ellagic acid and punicic acid, which have demonstrated anti-cancer effects, particularly in prostate cancer. Research in the Cancer Prevention Research Journal indicated that pomegranate juice consumption slowed the progression of prostate cancer by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing prostate-specific antigen PSA levels. 3. Citrus fruits. The power of limonene. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons are not only rich in vitamin C, but also contain limonene, a compound found in their peels. Limonene has been shown to inhibit the growth of various cancer cells, including breast and lung cancer. A study in the Journal of Nutrition highlighted the potential of limonene in reducing the risk of cancer by inducing apoptosis in cancer cells. 4. Apples. Quercetin's role in cancer prevention. Apples are a rich source of quercetin, a flavonoid with strong anti-inflammatory properties. Research published in the British Journal of Cancer revealed that quercetin can inhibit the growth of colon cancer cells by interfering with their signaling pathways. Apples also contain other beneficial compounds like polyphenol, which contribute to their anti-cancer effects. 5. Grapes. Resveratrol's anti-cancer properties. Grapes, especially red varieties, contain resveratrol, a compound known for its anti-cancer properties. Resveratrol has been shown to inhibit the growth of various cancer cells and induce apoptosis. A study in the Carcinogenesis Journal found that resveratrol could prevent the formation of new blood vessels, angiogenesis needed for tumor growth, effectively starving cancer cells. Conclusion: a holistic approach to cancer prevention. While these fruits can significantly support overall health and may help in the fight against cancer, they are not a substitute for conventional treatments. They can, however, be a valuable part of a healthy diet that supports the body during and after cancer treatment. Incorporating a variety of these fruits into your daily diet can provide a wealth of health benefits, backed by scientific evidence. Remember, a diet rich in fruits and vegetables has been consistently linked to a reduced risk of various cancers, according to numerous epidemiological studies. By choosing these cancer-fighting fruits, you are taking a proactive step towards maintaining your health and well-being.